1. Open the box and check the appearance and window lens. 2. Install the tube according to the direction and supporting position labeled on tube body. 3. Choose matched power supply and chiller according to CO2 laser tube using precautions labeled on tube body. 4. Connect the water pipes according to water inlet and outlet positions labeled on tube body. 5. Cut off redundant high-voltage wire and peel 15 to 20 mm to weld. Wind the welding part with raw tape or electrical tape. Put the high-voltage protective caps together. Make high-voltage connections as few as possible. 6. Fix the high-voltage connection on the 80 mm diameter position of a tube body, far away from metal materials. Twisting high-voltage wires together is forbidden. 7. Use a screwdriver to tighten the cathode connection. Make the connections as few as possible. 8. Turn on the chiller. Rotate the tube body or fold the water pipe to eliminate air bubbles. 9. Adjust light path. After adjustment, check mirror A, B, and C and clean them with ethyl alcohol if necessary. 10. Do the cutting process of the material.